Hello, so it's been a little while since we've done one of these, but today I am going to do one of my dance along with me videos. We're in grade 5 at the moment, and I thought it'd be quite nice for you to have some content where you can use me dancing to help remind you of what the choreography is. So this is designed so I'm being filmed from behind so that you can see what I'm doing and dance as though you were dancing in the room with me, me on the video in front of you and dance along. Anyway, let me know how you get on. This is for the Royal Academy of Dance grade 5 and I hope it helps. Arm, legs, turn, plie through first, away, towards and step petit développé. Fondue, step, run, and up, and back out and round, through first, up, step up, and plie, through first, away, towards, and step petit développé, fondue and fifth, up,